What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our Black Briefing. We want to highlight some important news from May that could deeply impact Black communities. But first, check out the incredible work we're doing on the grounds by visiting our website linked in our bio. First up, the Trump administration suggested suspending habeas corpus, which is the legal right to challenge unlawful detention. This means people could be held indefinitely without going to court. Legal experts are clear. Habeas corpus is a constitutional protection that can't be suspended except by Congress in extreme cases like rebellion or invasion. So why does this matter? Black Americans have long been disproportionately targeted by law enforcement. Removing this safeguard can make it easier to detain folks unfairly, like activists, protesters, or anyone speaking out for racial justice could be silenced without due process. Next, the administration is eyeing big budget cuts to the Department of Health and Human Resources, including NIH and the CDC. These cuts threaten programs many Black families rely on for essential health care, preventative services, and managing chronic illnesses like hypertension and diabetes. Cuts to the CDC also weaken efforts to respond to health crises that hit our communities the hardest. There's also a dangerous tax plan on the table that could slash Medicaid by $880 billion over the next 10 years, plus cuts to Social Security and Medicare. These programs support low-income Black families, elders, and people with disabilities. Work requirements for Medicaid could push many off coverage, worsening existing economic and health disparities. On the legal front, the Supreme Court is weighing a case that challenges birthright citizenship. This is the right of anyone born in the U.S. to be a citizen. If overturned, over 150,000 babies each year could lose automatic citizenship, including many Black immigrant families. This could create a new generation without access to health care, education, or legal protections. But here's some hope. Representative Summer Lee from Pennsylvania introduced the Reparations Now Resolution in Congress. This bill calls for trillions of dollars in reparations to address lasting impact of slavery, segregation, and systemic racism, investing in education, healthcare, housing, and economic opportunities for Black communities. This is a crucial step forward in the fight for racial justice and equity, especially as the administration continues to dismantle diversity and inclusion programs at the federal level. We urge Black voters to stay informed, check your voter registration, vote in all elections, and get involved in local and state politics. Text WEMatter to 25225 to join Black Voters Matter and get updates on how to take action. Share this briefing with 5 of your friends and family. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep pushing forward. We'll see you next time.